Hello Internet, this is Darksider and I am reaching out to you today to show off some new custom exhaust I got. These are built by MarkT with Horseapple Ranch. He's a longtime VRCC member and has been building custom exhausts for our bikes for probably 10 or 15 years. What's unique about these, other than that they are beautiful truck stacks, one piece. You can see my old exhaust here. I had a seam about halfway down them, and these are one piece. These exhausts are called mild to wild. Reason being is they have the stock silencers in them, but they come out in about 30 seconds with one bolt. So let me give you a sound bite with it running with the silencers in. Pretty good throaty sound. A little bit louder than stock, I'd say, but not very loud. Now I'll pull those silencers out and we'll give it a go. Okay, that literally takes like 30 seconds. So there's the silencers that come out with one bolt, and it's not completely open in there. Like I said, there is a glass pack in each of these stacks. And now we will fire up without them. Mild to wild indeed. How Mark works things is you get a pair of core or donor exhausts, you send them to him, you tell him what you want, and he'll build you straight out. He'll build your short ones with turn downs. He'll give you different diameters. Pretty sweet deal. I'll post information to his website down below.